on one sec. Alright, here's the Nerf Modulus. Hold on, one sec. Okay, here's the Nerf Modulus. There we go. So basically, this Nerf Modulus, it's basically a Nerf gun. Has a handle, extension, ammo clip, scope. Basically like a shoulder rest, or if you have longer arms, you could do that. So basically, this is built into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So one, here's the handle, and it can go either out to here or right here if you want to just not use this part. The next one is just an extension onto this Nerf gun. You can use it like that, or you can put the handle on it, like I said. And next thing is this ammo clip holds the bullets for you to shoot. And you can see the Nerf bullets right there. The next thing is this shoulder rest, or if you have longer arms, you can use this extension. So you basically pull that down, pull it out, and this is what it looks like. And the last thing is this scope, which is basically like an aiming area. I can see you. Okay, and yeah, so this is the smallest part you can have for the gun. And yeah, basically the assembly is basically what I did. Put the scope on, put the back piece on, put this middle piece on, and put it on like this. And there you go. That's how you build Nerf Modulus. And in just a sec, I'll show you some other ways you can use this gun. The side sniper. Easy mode. Medium mode. Hard mode. No accessories mode. Upside down mode. Shoot yourself mode. Now that you know different ways you can set up this gun, I'm going to show you how to shoot it and load it. Alright, this is how you reload it / unload it. So you push this button right here to release the ammo clip, and it's full of like 10 or how many bullets you have. Now, I would recommend to not shoot these in an area that these bullets cannot be found, because I've already lost 3 and there's only 7 in here. And yeah, I would just recommend that. That's a little warning. And yeah, so basically you just fill up your bullets here, put it back in. You can check to see if the bullet's loaded up into the position it needs to be in. Close that up. And now, on to the shooting. Alright, now the shooting. So basically, you pull this trigger right here, and that turns on the motor. And then you pull this trigger for it to shoot. And that's how you shoot. Now, to reload it, basically take this ammo clip out and fill them in the order that they go. Like this. Yeah, and then just basically put the ammo clip back in with this side, like that. And there you go. Your bullets are in there, and now you're going down. Alright everyone, thanks for watching the video. What else do you want me to do next? Comment below. And give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And you'll be notified when a new video comes out. And that's it for you. Stay awesome.